back to my class. Today I'll be teaching you how to solve linear equations in two variables by some of the methods: substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method. So these are of the class 10 syllabus. Okay, I'll give you a few examples for making you understand. So let's start. Three sums from three different methods. You try to understand. It was already done. Substitution method. What do we do in case of substitution method? First, we need to make it as a linear equation. As there are numerical numbers, I have done some calculations so that it comes in a linear form. Here it is done by multiplying the numbers, multiplying the given variables by their LCM, and here directly by taking other LCM I have done. Anyways you can do. So here we have made the numbers, and what is to be done? First of all, you need to check whether it has the linear pair of equations has unique solutions, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. That is done here. Okay, don't get confused. This part is for that. And here are the two equations made separately. Then after, what we do, from one equation you take out any one variable, either x or y. Here I have taken out x, and this x value is substituted in the other equation here. And then after you go for solving, here it came 3, and then after you will get the one. By substituting you will get y value. Okay, this elimination method, and it is in the exercise 3.4, elimination, whatever it is. And this pattern of the equations may be anywhere else, is substitution, elimination, and the other one is cross multiplication, whatever it is. But if you find x and y in the denominators, x in the denominator means 1 by x, and here 1 by y. So this format are to be taken by using some other letter. So here I have taken 1 by x as a u and 1 by y as b. And then after, in both the equations I have replaced 8 1 by x means 8 by x means 8 into 1 by y x, and 9 into 1 by y. This part for your so that it makes you understand easily, I have done. You can write this equation directly when you understand it. So both the equations are expressed in terms of u and v. Now for solving by using elimination method. Now what is the elimination method? Elimination method means any one of the variable you need to make equal with by their coefficients. Either you make, or by you can make the coefficients equal of b. Okay, so 8, here the coefficient of u is 8, and here the coefficient of u is 10. So what I have done, this 8 is multiplied by, I am going to make u equal. So 8 is multiplied by 10, that means the whole equation will be multiplied by 10, and then this u will be multiplied by 8, that means the whole equation will be multiplied by 8. So this equation is multiplied by 10 and this equation is multiplied by 8. Thus both the equations are formed. Instead of making this u equal, you can make b equal also. Like for making the b equal, 9 you multiply by 6, that means the whole equation will be multiplied by 6, and then this 6 will be multiplied by 9, that means the whole equation will be multiplied by 9. Our motive is to make one variable equal by their coefficients so that it would be cancelled. Now both the equations have both 80u, here also 80u, but both are having same sign. So what we need to do for cancellation, these two equations have to be subtracted. Okay, if automatically here is negative, or here is positive, or here is positive, here is negative, then what we can do, we can add both our equations. Now here after subtracting, we have got v equal to 1 by 3, and this v equal to 1 by 3 by substitution method I am explaining 3.5 exercise, one question only by cross multiplication method. And when we do cross multiplication method, if there is anything on the right hand side, to be shifted to the left hand side. Okay, in both the equations we have done. Again, this is to be done. Find out whether it has unique solution or no solutions or infinitely many solutions. In the previous question, elimination method, it was not done, but in everywhere where it will be asked to be done. Okay, here I have find out, and we have seen that a1 is not equal to a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it has a linear unique solution. But in the previous questions you had simply written this line, but you need to show this condition why it has an unique solution. Now it's very important thing is to be done. What we do, we arrange the coefficients. I have taken all these three coefficients, means two coefficients, and this is a constant term, x coefficient, y's coefficient, and this is constant term is written. Then finally again once more I have written x coefficient. The same way from the other equation also to be arranged, x coefficient, y coefficient, and then constant term. Then again the constant x coefficient is repeated. In the book itself it has been started from x. I am saying you why here is mentioned x. When you take x coefficient, these are the x coefficient, you are not supposed to get x from here, you will get x from here. Means when you take x, then this 2 will be used. When you take y, then this 2 coefficient and the constant term will be used. When you take constant term, then this 2 coefficients will be used. Therefore, as these are the coefficients of x, so we will get x from here, and these 2 are the coefficients of y, so we will get y from the other one, and this is 1. It's a constant term, so it is taken as 1. Now we have placed, we are taking out x, y, and there it will be 1. When you take x, always you come this way, 1 into minus 8. Then this minus sign is to be placed always. Means before multiplying this is to be subtracted. Means from the product of this to be subtracted the product of this. So first this multiplication, then put minus, then this 2 multiplication. Okay, here also y value minus 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2. Okay, then here 1 is 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. What is done here? Thus x comes x by 2, y by 1, 1 by 1. Now for getting x value, y value, what we need to do, x by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore x equal to 2, and y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. That means y is equal to 1. Okay, it is done. Here it is done. So this is the method. Okay, hope you have understood.